iPhone 16 or nothing 3A. One costs a kidney and the other maybe your Netflix password. But which one's actually better for you? Let's find out. Let's discuss price. iPhone 16 is around 80,000 rupees. Well, that's classic Apple pricing for you. Nothing 3A is around 30,000 rupees, which is much friendlier budget for you. So here the winner is Nothing 3A because your wallet matters. Let's discuss design and build. iPhone 16 is slim for about 7.8 mm. It's lighter for about 170 grams and has that shiny apple polish with water resistance up to 6 meters. Nothing 3A is bigger for about 8.35 mm and 201 grams weight. It has a see through gulf design that literally lights up for notifications but only splash resistant. So, the winner, well, it's a tie because iPhone feels premium, nothing looks unique. Let's discuss display. The iPhone 16 is 6.1-inch OLED, super sharp and very bright outdoors. On the other hand, the Nothing 3A is 6.77-inch AMOLED, smoother with 120 Hz refresh rate. It's brighter indoors and outdoors too. So, here the winner is Nothing 3A because it's bigger and smoother displays for binge watchers and gamers. Let's discuss performance. The iPhone 16 has Apple A18 chip, 8 GB RAM, crazy fast, smooth for gaming, editing, anything. But Nothing 3A has Snapdragon 7S Gen 3, 8 GB RAM. It is good for everyday use but not as powerful as iPhone 16. So here the clear winner is iPhone 16. Well, it's like a Ferrari versus Honda City. Both run, but one is just way faster than the other one. Now let's discuss the main thing. That's the camera. So let's discuss camera. iPhone 16 has dual camera setup. 48 megapixel, 12 megapixel, 12 megapixel front camera. It is great for natural colors. It records great videos. Wait, let me just correct. It records most stabilized videos and amazing night shots. Nothing 3A on the other hand has triple camera. That's 50 megapixel main camera, 50 megapixel telephoto lens, 8 megapixel ultra wide and a 32 megapixel selfie camera. Well, there you go. Here's the clear winner, Nothing 3A for selfies and features, but iPhone for great stabilized videos. Let's discuss the important one, that's the battery. iPhone 16 is for about 3561 mAh battery. Wireless charging, but not huge in size. Whereas Nothing 3A has 5000 mAh battery capacity, 50 watts fast charging, plus it also has reverse charging. Yes, you can charge your earbuds or another phone. So here's the clear winner. Nothing 3A beats the iPhone in terms of battery capacity because it's more juice plus faster charging. No way, don't go off. I will discuss some extra features which might be helpful for you. So, iPhone 16 has satellite connectivity, crash detection, action button, and Apple Intelligence AI features, whereas Nothing 3A has glyph lights, fancy plus useful, fingerprint sensor under display, and it also has reverse charging as discussed before. Well, winner, it really depends. iPhone if you want safety and AI magic, Nothing if you want cool party tricks. So, here's my final verdict. If you're all about raw power, brand value, and long term updates, go for iPhone 16. But if you want a bigger screen, bigger battery, better selfies, and funky features at half the price, The Nothing 3A is a no-brainer, go for it. Deal breaker. For many people, it's the price. The iPhone 16 is nearly 3 times more than the Nothing 3A. Unless you're too deep in the Apple ecosystem, Nothing's got everything you need. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.